Okay, we are back. 7.9, this is the Sharon Show. So I'm going to read the directions to you first. So number 1 says draw counters in the groups to find 18 divided by 9. So you're going to finish this picture they started by drawing the counters in. And then the next set, they said find the quotients, whatever strategy is good for you. You can find the quotient yourself. Okay, so do you want to draw circle groups? Do you want to use a number line? Do you want to use this factor strategy where instead of dividing by 9, you're just going to divide by a 3 and then another 3? Or are you good at your multiplication facts, so it'll help you with division? All right, so now pause the video, you try those by yourself, and then come back and check to see how you did. All right, so I'm going to finish drawing the counters in here. They already drew the 9 as the 9 groups, and I'm going to draw in the 18 counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, I'm listening to the music they're playing upstairs. I have to send this music to you, this song. It's Sweet Home Chicago, if you've ever heard that song. That's what Joey and his dad are listening to upstairs, and I want to sing along to it. You probably will too, especially since we learned about Chicago in 3rd grade. Okay, sorry, I got distracted there. All right, I've counted up to 9 so far. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I already counted the total with 18. The 9 was the groups, and so what's left for me to count is how many in each. So how many's in each? 2. I don't have my amazing pen today, my stylus pen to draw on my mouse pad, so that's why my writing is a little hard to see today. Okay, so now let's go down here and find these quotients. 45 divided by 9. I'm going to use that strategy where they change the 9 into a 3 and a 3. So I'm going to start by dividing. Now let's do it over here where I have space. 45 by 3. Now, if you know anything about counting time and the minutes on a clock, you know that you count by 15s like this. 15, 30, 45, 60. So 45 divided by 3 is actually 15. 3 groups of 15 equals 45. Now I'm going to do that again because remember it's supposed to be dividing by 9 and the 2 factors of 9 are a 3 and another 3. Oh my gosh, I'm singing really loudly. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 45 divided by 9 is 5. All right, 36 divided by 6. Maybe you could do repeated subtraction or a number line to get to 36. I'm going to pause until they're not so noisy up there. Okay, so I'm back. Hopefully it'll be a little quieter up there. We're doing number 3, 36 divided by 6, and I went ahead and did it over here with repeated subtraction. So I started with 36, and I kept taking away groups of 6 until I got to 0. So now I have to see, well, how many times did I do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. 9 divided by 1. Think of it as one group. So if you take 9 fish, put it into one big fish bowl, how many's in the fish bowl? 9. 54 divided by 9. You could do the strategy of dividing by 3 2 times. You could do repeated subtraction. You could do circle groups like this. Whatever your strategy was, you should have gotten the answer of 6. They're clapping because he's eating his dinner. Okay, 28 divided by 7. That should be 4. 9 divided by 9. So if you have 9 fish into 9 fish bowls, each one would get 1. 40 divided by 5. Whenever you're dividing by 5, you can easily skip count by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 would be 8 times. And 36 divided by 9. Again, I kind of like to think of the multiplication trick here. So flip it around. 9 times what equals 36? And if you remember the 9 trick, it was, okay, whatever this factor was, you subtract 1 from this number, and it gives you this first number in the answer. So what number do you have to subtract 1, and it gives you 3? 4. 4 minus 1 gives you 3. So 9 times 4 must be 36. So 36 divided by 9, oops, is 4. Okay, good job on that. To find where my toolbox is now here. Where is the toolbox so I can push stop?